Welcome back to Total Evelyn. Thank you very much for watching Total Evelyn. And remember, subscribe, like and share. This is a really exciting video. This is the first vlog of my new career. Remember that. The other videos were fun, it was my passion. This is going to be combining something that I really put my heart and soul into. I gave up my business because there were certain things that were just going against it, just having to change direction on things that are no longer working for Edinburgh, no longer working for me, no being able to give my true potential out there. Here's my experience. I have been in Edinburgh all my life. I've been selling properties for about 8 years, selling properties. I know I can sell properties. I know now that I can sell properties even better in this modern world. So this is why I thought, God, it was actually staring at me in the face, like bang. I thought, what have I been waiting for? This is my chance to actually get out there and just do it right. You know, I'm going to sell properties away that I've never sold before. I'm only going to sell properties with agents who I trust. No, honestly, quite seriously, if I trust you, you know, I think that's what it's all about. I actually think selling's about how you get on with the person. If you like a person and you can actually right away connect with that person, whether it's been on the internet, I'm going to deal with investors, I'm going to deal with developers, I'm going to deal with the whole of Edinburgh, and I'm going to pick the ones that are good out there because I know them. I've worked with them, I know the good ones, I know the ones that you can trust. Guys, you better watch out because Total Evelyn's about. And I'm out there and I'm going out and I'm going to sell them in a different way. I'm not selling them in the conventional way that has been going on for years. It's too salesy. I'm going to do it my way. I'm going to take 10 properties, 10 agencies, and I'm going to get 10 properties that I think that are going to be beneficial to my website. And I want to show Edinburgh off because people don't see Edinburgh enough. I show Edinburgh off with my vlogs, certainly. You've seen a lot of what I've been putting up, haven't you? So anyway, who thinks that's a great idea and who wants to come on board? But I think the whole important idea here is just getting out and doing it. I need to make money, don't I? So I have to just get out and do it. You know, I'm used to a certain lifestyle. I like nice clothes. You like nice clothes. So I'm going to show you how to do it as well. So I think it makes sense to actually do what I'm about to do, is merging property with video programming, because it's what the world really wants. They want chunks of information as they need it. They don't want salesy. They want a bit of fun. They want a bit of story. Sells a wee bit of a lifestyle, you know. It's actually selling something to people that never maybe even thought about. Might not buy just now, but the point of the videos is that they can look and see the properties that's in Edinburgh, and they'll remember the videos, and if the video will always be there. That's the thing. They can actually then go and click on the video, show it to their pals, and say to their friends, rather pals, just in case you're watching this from across the globe, then friends is pals in Scotland. But you know, it's that way of fun. It's more fun, it's more selling an idea to someone that's never even thought about buying property. And then when they are thinking about maybe buying property, then it'll trigger something. It triggers the mind. And that's basically what storytelling does, doesn't it? Makes you think. It's like films. If you watch a film, you maybe never thought about something like going away abroad, want to go and visit a country because of a film, for example. You know, I went to Tuscany because I went and watched Under the Tuscan Sun. So it works. And the other benefits of video is that you're transparent, you're there, you're approachable. You know, you're walking about Edinburgh. I'm not going anywhere. You can click on any video that I'm on Total Evelyn, you'll see that I'm here. You can ask me any questions. You can just click on. I'm not liking that music, but you can click on and you can comment as well. You know, I'm not going away doing the vlogging for 2 years, so it's a trust thing, isn't it? It's a trust thing when you see somebody that knows Edinburgh as well. Like if you want to buy something from, I keep mentioning this because this is something that I think is required. If you're abroad and you're coming to Edinburgh and you don't know anything about Edinburgh, then you see somebody like me, Total Evelyn, flying about all the different streets. You can see how the houses look. You can see the bars, the restaurants, the schools, everything is great. I think that's the best way to go. So I'm excited. This is good. When I was selling all these years ago, I was never asked if I wanted a glass of wine. So great start. This is a beautiful house, honestly. It's gorgeous. I've only been in the lounge so far, and I've got the glasses are just so beautiful. Right, that all goes in the tone, because I guess if you're going to live in a house like this, then you have to have all the things that go with the house, don't you? Who buys a house like this? Just looking at everything in here, you can see it's sophisticated. So you're not just selling a house, you're selling a lifestyle, aren't you? You're selling the luxury of Edinburgh. And that's kind of what I want to do. So basically, the practicality of these videos are going to be to show the property, not in the conventional way that the properties have been shown in the past, you know, the prospectus where you can see video, or you can see a video of a going around the house. I want to show the property inside and out, you know, I want to show how it's lived in. I want to show it actually being alive. But before you buy the house, you need to know all these different things. What are you buying into? You know, if you're coming to Edinburgh for the first time, then you need to speak to schools, for example. Where is the nearest school? I'm going to speak to these people for you on your behalf. I'm going to be speaking to the schools in this area. I'm going to be speaking to people in the restaurants, for example, what you've got on your doorstep. How far is it from wherever you're working? You know, where's the best places to work in the area? What's it like for parking? I want to test out the shower in here as well. You know, I don't want to just say, okay, that's a good working shower. I actually want to ask the owner of this house, can I have a shower in your house before I buy it? I mean, I think that's important. It's like going a bit too far, Evelyn. Too far. Taking it to the extreme, of course. I really want to know who I'm living beside as well. If your agencies or your homeowners tell you that everything's within walking distance, there's no noisy neighbours, there's great pubs in the vicinity and everything, then I'm going to tell you the truth of the matter. I'll be the judge of that. So I'm going to give you all that information. I'm going to be able to tell you information that you would never get told before. So just watch this space. I'm going to be interviewing a lot of people, and it's going to be good fun. This is the best way to sell. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week on episode 2.